Hello there, this is Brent from the Bain Group, and today we're going to be going over SharePoint List. Topics we're going to be covering today are going to be what is a SharePoint list, how to create a SharePoint list, and how to copy a SharePoint list. Start off by what is a SharePoint list? So a list is a collection of data that can be filtered and viewed in different ways, almost like an Excel sheet or a spreadsheet. So let's take a look at what a SharePoint list looks like. If we go into our site contents by selecting the gear wheel in the top right-hand corner, we will select Site Contents. From here, it'll bring us into our data collection where we have our list and libraries. If we see here Product List, which can be identified by the list icon next to the name, and if we select that, it'll bring us into our list, which is a collection of all different data. And it's filtered by different titles and columns, which you can give names and specifics to. If we want to create a new list, all we have to do is go to our site content, go to the new item, press list, and from here we can create a blank list, create a list from Excel. SharePoint also gives us a few options of templates that we can use. For this example, we're just going to use a blank list. So from here, we give it a name, provide a description if you like, and we can press create. Now, if we want to add new columns, all we have to do is press the new column option, and we choose the different type of column that we want, either single line of text. You can do a choice option by providing an A, B, and C option to it, a hyperlink, also an image, and more. If you want to filter and change the different looks and feels of your list, all you have to do is go to the drop-down menu under all items and edit this current view. This will bring us into our backend list. From here, we can choose the different items that are seen on the front end of our list. We can sort it by the different items here, provide filters. We can even group by different categories. And we can provide an item limit. The default right now is 30. The highest we recommend is going to be 100 items. Now, if we want to copy a list, we go back to our site contents. And when we press the new item and press list, we can choose from existing list. From here, we can choose a list that we have already created and we can copy it. So we'll choose our product list. We'll press next. We'll call it product list 2. And we can press create. Now our list has been created with the same columns that were in our original product list. Now to get the items from our other list to this new list, all you have to do is go to the original list and you can choose export to Excel. If you export to Excel, all this data will then be brought over to an Excel. Once your items have been exported to the Excel, you can copy the items from the Excel, go to your new list and press edit in grid view. From here, you can just copy and paste. Once these items are in, all you have to do is press exit grid view to save your items. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe for more videos on tips and tricks. We'll see you next time.